Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new project in Google AI Studios. So all you need to do is open Google AI Studio and then press on Build AI App. Now it will ask you to describe your idea. You can simply describe something like then press on Build. Now you need to wait on it a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it generated what I told him to do. Now, all you need to do is click on save here, and that's it. Your project will be saved and created, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.